So one last final thing we want to look at is how to ensure that we're able to use this plugin, this Max for Live device that we've made, and make sure that when we move it around in different live sets, we don't lose all the dependencies and all the stuff that we downloaded and that allows it to work. So what we need to do is, if we just have a look in our Max for Live folder in Live, in our MIDI effects, you'll notice that it hasn't, the device we made, mine was called PoseNet M4L. You'll notice that it's not here, and that's because when we saved it, we didn't save it into the regular Max for Live location on my hard drive. We saved it into the same folder as all the other stuff that we downloaded initially from GitHub. So that stuff is still in my downloads folder, and here it is in Node for Max PoseNet Master, and you can see there's my PoseNet Max for Live device along with all the other dependencies and things it needs to run. So if I want to make sure that when I move my live sets around, this will come with me, what I want to do first is create a new live set that I wish to use it in and save this set. I'm going to save it into my folder for this class. That's here in week 7, and I'm going to call this PoseNet live set. And of course that has created a folder here, PoseNet live set, where all the normal stuff for your Ableton live sets go into. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy. Now you probably want to save this master folder into some general location as well, but I'm just going to copy that and put it into my live set here. Cool, so that's all copying over now. And then I'm going to be able to access it from within Ableton Live. And it also means that whenever I move this set around, all of these related files will come with it, and then this will always work. So close that, close that. So now in my live set, PoseNet live set, I go into, rather than looking for it in my Max for Live category, I'm going to go down to the Places Current Project. In here you can see is that folder that we just put in, and in that folder is my PoseNet Max for Live device. Launch it, and there it is. It's working as expected. All of our values are streaming through nicely, and yeah, now whenever I save this set and move it onto another computer or want to keep using it, that all those related files are going to come with me. So yeah, there we go.